Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, All Up in Your Melon. I'm Lauren Boucher and today I'm going to be making guacamole. So, there's so many ways you can make this, but I'll show you how I make it. I have a little food processor and I'm going to put in tomatoes, jalapeno, lime, avocado, onion. Hi babe. I have a little bit of grilled garlic, not grilled, I have a little bit of roasted garlic, salt, awesome. And this is half an avocado. So first I'm gonna make the little salsa in the food processor. So I'm gonna quarter the tomato. I'm gonna make this with 1.5 avocados because that is what I have. I remembered an extension cord this time so that I can plug my food processor in. First, I'm gonna put these tomatoes in. I'm going to cut up this onion and try not to cry. You can also use red onion, but I prefer white onion. I just feel like red onion kind of, the flavor never goes away. It will stay in your mouth for hours. Peel that off. I don't know how much, I guess. I don't know. I honestly usually don't cut onions this weird, but cut it kind of weird today. And to put in the food processor, it really doesn't have to be too small, but I like to cut it up a little bit. Oh no, I'm crying. Okay, and this is the roasted garlic. Oh no, I'm crying. So I'm gonna just take one of these cloves out. It's so soft, it's so good. If you ever want to roast garlic, I would recommend it. I think this one's gonna be too big. I don't want a huge clove. You just put it in the oven. You can just put it in tin foil for an hour at 350, and then you'll have this amazing roasted garlic. And honestly, it goes in everything. Probably should have had the onion pre-cut so I didn't cry. So ready? We are going to dice this up. Oh, we forgot about the jalapeno. Gotta throw in the jalapeno. I throw it in with all its seeds because I like it a little bit spicy. Oh geez. Whoops. And after you touch the avocado, be careful to touch your eyes. Sticking to the sides a little bit, so just kind of push it around, push the things that didn't go to the bottom. Ooh, it smells spicy in there. Ooh wee. And you can use a bigger food processor, but I figure because we're just making a small batch of avocado, we don't really need it. So now I'm gonna put the avocado in the bowl. So I'm just going to make little lines in it so that it kind of comes out in squares. Scoop it out. Okay. We will put the other avocado in. And basically, you know an avocado is ripe if it's a little bit soft. So you're pushing down and it kind of pushes away. The ball should just pop right out pretty much. And then to get the ball part of the avocado out, you want to hold it on a hard surface and then just kind of quickly put the knife into the... And if it really comes out clean, that means your avocado is perfect and ready to be eaten. So again, I'm just going to dice, cut little squares into the avocado and then spoon it into the bowl. Guys, I just got my second vaccine. I didn't get sick. Well, I was a little cranky, a little tired, sore arm, but I just took a 3.5 hour nap and I am feeling good. So we got the avocado kind of chunked. It's pretty much whole. So now we're gonna add this jalapeno didn't chop, so we'll put that back in. But for the rest, ooh, this smells spicy. So then we're just gonna pour this little salsa into the avocado. Yum. Let me try it. Very good. Well, yeah, this is a sweet onion, so that tastes delicious. I'm just gonna put this little last piece of jalapeno that didn't chop back in. Also, if you're not lazy, you can just dice it with your knife finger. If you have the machine, might as well. Yeah, it still didn't chop. I don't know what's wrong with it. I will chop it up a little bit. Yeah, I don't know why it's like giving me the thickest pieces of pepper, but what you gonna do? Okay, so now I'm going to just chop this a little bit. This must just have like tough skin jalapeno. Throw it in. So yeah, so I'm gonna put a few more ingredients. I'm gonna put some salt. I chose this salt because it grates thick, so you might get little chunks of salt, which is kind of nice. So honestly, I just eye it out. And I do it depending on how salty your chip is. If you have a salty chip, I don't really feel like you need too much salt. And now if you learn from Rachel Ray, you're supposed to roll your citrus. Cut it, juice it in. You gotta have the lime. Put the lime in the coconut. As much juice as I can get out. And now this is the secret ingredient that I like to use. So it's this balsamic vinegar. It's cara orange vanilla, and it adds the perfect amount of citrus, and it just makes it good. I don't know how I discovered this. I worked at an olive oil store, so I tried all their olive oil, and I liked this one and bought it and put it in my guacamole once, and it was delicious. Because this is a little batch of guacamole, I'm just gonna put in a little bit. Basically, in this recipe, I do everything to taste, so guesstimate it. Oh guys, this is looking really good. I'm gonna mix it up. I like my guacamole a little chunky, so that's why I kind of cut it into those squares, and I'm just mushing it, but kind of leaving some chunks still in here. Kind of just hit it with a spoon, and make sure you really mix everything in there. These avocados really work perfectly right, and I love when that happens. Oh, okay, I'm gonna try it, and you know, if it's not spicy enough, I have this really crazy spicy salsa, and a little goes a long way. You can't even eat it. You can't even eat it because it's so hot. I wish I didn't buy it, but what are you gonna do? So, I mean, take a look at this. Tell me that doesn't make you hungry. Got your bag of chips. Got just regular corn tortillas. Guys, oh my god. It's so good. It's really not spicy at all. So I'm gonna put in a little bit of salsa. So check this freaking out. It's so good. So this is Mrs. Renfro's ghost pepper salsa. So honestly, I use it as a hot sauce. It's too hot. It's too hot to eat as a salsa. But you know, adding salsa to your guacamole is the easiest way to make guacamole. If you're in a pinch, just add a little salsa to some avocados. But honestly, the less you add, the better. Sometimes if you put too much salsa, it's gross. So add a little bit at a time and keep adding until you like the flavor. So let's see. That's probably good. I might even finish this whole bowl. Saving none for the BS. Let's try it with a little bit of the ghost pepper salsa. You guys, please try this. And this cara orange vanilla, it just makes it so sweet. It makes the salsa just a little extra sweet. It's still not really spicy, so I could add a little bit more, but I'm not feeling like making it too spicy because I'm already hot. That's one of the symptoms, actually, that I'm in denial about. Hot flashes. I keep getting hot flashes from the second vaccine, but what are you gonna do? So anyway, guys, I really recommend making guac at home and using just fresh ingredients, not buying the packets. But do what you want. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Episode 3. Thanks for watching. Just me eating. That was a spicy bite.